Hello sir, we are the student of LBEF college and we are conducting the interview of our final year project. Now tell me about yourself.
So hello everyone, my name is Amod and I work in an IT field as a web developer. I have very strong interest in building digital products and solving real world problems using technology. Over time, I have developed skills in web technology and software development, particularly in creating responsive and user-friendly websites and applications. I enjoy learning new technologies and continuously improving my skills so that I build better digital solutions for businesses and users.
Could you tell something about your early days?
So from my early age, I was very curious about computer and technologies. I spent a lot of time exploring how computer work and website were built. During my academic studies, I started learning basic programming and web development, which helped me understand how digital platform operates. This curiosity gradually turned into a strong interest and eventually it guided me toward choosing a career in the IT field.
What inspired you to pursue a career in this field?
So the rapid growth of technology and the way it influences everyday life inspired me to pursue this career. Today, almost every business and service relies on digital platforms and websites that play a major role in connecting business with customers. Seeing how technology can simplify process, improve communications and new opportunity motivate me to become a web developer and contribute to building using digital solutions.
Can you explain how you started your job and why you chose this field?
So I started learning programming languages and practicing web development during my academic years. I built some small projects and website to gain some kind of practical experiences. After completing my studies, I gained further experience through internship and professional work in the industry. So I choose the field because it offers a combination of creativity and also technical problem solving, and it also continues opportunity to learn and grow as technology evolves.
Okay. What specific skills and aptitudes are necessary to do this kind of work?
So, to work as a web developer, a strong understanding of programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript is very essential. Knowledge of web frameworks, database, backend technologies is also very helpful. A part of technical skills, you must also have problem solving ability, logical thinking, creativity, and attention to every detail is very important. So communication and teamwork skill are also necessary because developers often work with designers, project managers and clients.
What are the opportunities for growth in this field?
So the IT field provide many opportunity for career growth. Or web developer can start from a junior developer and gradually move into the roles such as senior developer, technical lead. Some professionals also go into project management or product development roles. Additionally, there are other opportunity as well, like you can work as a freelancer, collaborate with international clients, or even you can start your own technology-based company.
What advice do you have for someone like me who is thinking about pursuing this field?
So someone thinking about pursuing career like you in this field, my advice will be focus on building a strong foundation of programming and web technologies. Students like you should practice coding regularly and work on even real world projects and gain some practical experience. You should also stay updated with new tools and technologies because the IT industry is evolving quickly day by day. So, being curious, patience, and being consistent in learning will help being succeed in this field.
What do you like and dislike about your job?
What I like the most about the job is the opportunity to create something meaningful using technology. It is very satisfying to build website and application that people use every day. I also enjoy the process of solving technical challenges, learning new tools. However, sometimes the job can be challenging due to tight deadlines, complex debugging, or expected technical issues that require extra time and effort to solve.
What might a new employee expect to earn in this field at an entry level?
So in Nepal, an entry-level web developer earns around to 20,000 to 40,000 per month.
So why did you choose web development as a professional career?
I choose web development because it combines my creativity with technical knowledge. Basically, it allows me to design and build digital platform that can reach people everywhere in the world. I also like the fact that web development is rising in the world, which means there are always new technology and frameworks to learn.
So as a web developer, what kind of job opportunities are there in Nepal?
So in Nepal, web developer can work in IT companies, software development firms, digital marketing agencies, startups, and technology consultancies. Many organizations need website and web application to manage their operation and reach to customers. Additionally, there are opportunity for freelancing and remote work with international client. which has been increasing in common recent years.
What are the main challenges faced by a web developer in Nepal?
Some challenges in Nepal, we can say, like we have very limited access to advanced technology resources compared to developed countries. Salary levels, it may be lower than the international standards. Another challenge is the gap between this academic education and industry requirements, where most students sometimes lack practical experience. However, the IT industry of Nepal is gradually improving and offering better opportunities, so these challenges can be overcome.
Throughout your career as a web developer, you may have faced different risks, and did you take it as a challenge or a responsibility?
So web development include various risks, like especially related to cyber security and data protection. Developer must ensure the website and application are secure from hacking attempts or data breaches. There are also risks related to project deadline, client expectation, and technical issues that can arise during the development. Proper planning, testing, and security practices will minimize these risks. So the risks can be overcome, or like it can be worked on.
What type of common problems do you face as a web developer by building a website?
Developer often face issues such as debugging, coding errors, ensuring the website work properly on different browser and devices, and optimizing website speed and performance. Sometimes project requirements change during development, which can create additional challenges for you. Managing database, API, and server-related issue can also be complex at the times.
As an aspiring web developer myself, what can I do to overcome the challenges, risks, and problems in my coming career?
So developer can overcome these challenges by continuously learning and adapting the new technologies. Practicing coding regularly and building real projects can help them improve their problem solving skills. You can also collaborate with experienced developers and follow the industry best practices in coding, testing, and security. It can help you reduce risks and improve the quality of work.
When you were a student of bachelor, what kind of problems do you face in study?
So during my bachelor study, one of the most challenge I faced was balancing theoretical subjects with my practical programming skills. Sometimes the curriculum focus more on theory, which the industry requires strong practical knowledge. So managing time between the coursework, assignments, and self-learning was also very challenging. But it helps me develop discipline and independent learning skills.
What tools or software does your company use for development and project management?
So for development, we commonly use tools like Visual Studio Code or other code editors to write and manage the codes. So GitHub is used for version control and collaboration among developers. For design and UI planning, tools like Figma are oftenly used. So for project management and team coordination, platform like Trello we are using, and we are using the Slack for the communication, so we can improve the communication within the team.
How important is technology in improving your company's product or services?
So technology is extremely important because it directly influences the quality, efficiency, and scalability of products and services. By the modern development tools, automation, and cloud platforms, companies can build more faster, more reliable, and more secure digital solutions. So technology also help to improve customer experience and allow business to expand their services more efficiently. So technology plays the vital role in improving our company's product and services.
How do you stay updated with the new technologies and trend coming in the market and in IT industry?
So I stay updated by regularly reading technological blogs, following the developer communities, watching online tutorials. I often practice new tools and frameworks through personal projects. So I also engage in participating in workshops, seminars, and online courses. Also help me to learn about the latest trends and practices in the IT industry.
Globally, worldwide globally, AI is growing. Is your company use AI, cloud computing, or automation? If yes, how it?
So yes, many companies are using AI and cloud technology in their system, as we are also doing that. AI can be used for features like chatbot, recommendation systems, and data analysis. Cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud are commonly used to host applications, store data, manage servers. Automation tools are used to streamline the development process and improve the efficiency.
What technology skills should students learn to prepare for a career in the IT field?
So students should focus on learning core programming language such as HTML, CSS, Java for web development. They should also understand the backend technologies, database, APIs, knowledge of version control system like Git, basic computing, basic cloud computing, and problem solving technique is also very much important. In addition, developing logical thinking and continuous learning habit will help success the IT industry.
Well, thank you, sir, for giving your valuable time for us for the interview. Thank you, sir.
So my final suggestion to students want to enter in the IT field, especially web development, is to focus on building strong fundamental and practical skills. So technology is evolving day by day very quickly, and it is so important to stay curious and continuously learn new skills, language, frameworks. Instead of only focusing on theoretical knowledge, students should also work on real life projects, build website or application, and practice coding regularly. So another important thing is patience and consistency. In the beginning, programming can be challenging and sometimes frustrating. So this is also my personal experience, but with the continuous patience and problem solving, it will be very easier and very much interesting. So students should also participate in developer communities, follow technology trends, and you should learn from professional expert. Finally, I would like to say that the IT industry offer very much opportunity both in Nepal and internationally. So you should need only dedication, creativity, and continuous learning. So you can build a very successful and rewarding career in the IT future. So thank you so much for the time.